Isn't that cute? Hey folks, welcome back to Craft and Canvas. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss on our fun paper craft tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this adorable Snoopy pop-up card. It's simple, creative and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this DIY project: cardboard paper, a ruler, scissors, scoring tool, tape or glue, a pencil, and markers or pens to draw your favorite character. Make sure to download and cut the template from our website. The link is in the description box below. On template 1 and 5, draw or print out your favorite character along with a hand gesture. Here I have made Snoopy and his hand holding a heart. Now grab template piece 3. Fold along the scored lines. These folds are important for the pull effect. Where there are no folds, apply glue and stick template piece 4 on top. This gives the mechanism some sturdiness. Then add tape or glue on the final fold and attach the hand piece we just made. Back to template piece 1, fold it carefully along the scored lines. It should start to look like the front of the card. Now we are going to attach our pop-up mechanism. Add glue or tape to the first fold and place it behind the Snoopy drawing, just like I'm showing you here. Tuck in the pull mechanism nicely so it sits behind the character. Last step, take template piece 2 and apply glue or tape to the flaps of the Snoopy piece. Stick the base firmly. Make sure everything is aligned. Now for the fun part, give it a pull. And tada! Your very own DIY Snoopy pop-up card is ready. Isn't that so fun? This is such a cute idea for a gift, a handmade greeting card, or even just a surprise for someone you care about. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below telling me what character you would use and share this with your crafty friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next creative session right here on Craft and Canvas.